Hello, in this video I'm going to show you guys how I keep my email organized by labels. So I have one here called coupons. So I have set this up. I could show you how to do that in another video. And I just go ahead and select all of them that are older than a month. Coupons are usually good for about a month or so. I mean, that's just the rule book I go off of. I'm going to select them and I'm just going to delete them that way. And every email that has the label coupon older than a month is going to get deleted. So this is how I do a bulk action where I do delete all of them in one fell swoop. So I'm just showing you how to do that here, which I find pretty useful to do because it deletes thousands of emails all at once. I have about a month's worth of coupons now. I like having them. I just don't like doing all the effort of deleting them. I'll show you guys by looking at the oldest now that these are all from about a month ago from the time that I'm recording this video. This is how I keep my email inbox pretty decluttered as far as coupons are concerned. And I actually love clearing out anything that is older than a month from now just because it's so easy. I hope this video has helped you and I hope you have a great day. Bye.